FlexPoint Academy is proud to announce the launch of our new WSIB-Approved First Aid CPR course. WSIB stands for Workplace Safety and Insurance Board. You might be wondering, what makes a WSIB-Approved First Aid course stand out? Well, many Ontario employers specifically require their employees to receive WSIB-Approved First Aid and CPR training. Not only does a WSIB-Approved course follow Ontario's workplace first aid regulations, it also provides hands-on, high-level training from a certified instructor. Our course offers training in adult, child, and infant CPR, as well as AED use, emergency scene management, choking response, and other essential life-saving skills. Enroll now and get the certification you need to advance your career.